Mutongoi wa Kyama cha Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka Umunthi Niwatongoesya Nguthu ya Mawokili Kotini wa Milimani Musyini wa Ilovi Kuleana na Muvango wa Silikali Kuthoosya Imwe sya Ianda Kana shares sya Kambuni wa Mikumukanilye wa Safaricom Vala Aineenea Kotini o Kalonzo Wathingilila Kana Kuthoosya Ianda Vate kukonia Enenthi ni Utee na miyao na katiba Kalonzo ingini watu Utee mbunge kwa kufitukithia kuthoua kwa Ianda sya Kambuni wa Safaricom etina wa Muvango kuungamwa ni Kuthoosya kibanzi tueleze.
Abigite Kortini uwa Milimani emwamba na Mawokili angi Kalonzo ni Wathingilila Kana Kuthoosya kwa Ianda sya Kambuni uwa Mikumukanilye wa Safaricom ni Utee na miyao ya katiba kwa kwithiwa mwenenthi atakonetwe Muvangoni
I wish this very reputable international organizations will stand guided by the fact that this is a contestation about the share of these shares. I personally, on behalf of the Kenyan people, because they can get a better deal, that's for sure. In business, you don't get what you negotiate, you don't get what you deserve, you get what you negotiate. It's a negotiation issue.
Matters of law, not matters of law.
So to say, no, I'm just responding to what your able chairman of CPK said.
Yes, that was an issue which was raised.
It was raised by, yes, from the bar. Yeah, from the bar. And I have the right to respond. Because, my lord, it was expressly raised. So it must be contradicted. Because all this in an effort to make believe there is not an issue of an urgent national importance before your lordships. This is why we seek these conservatory orders.
Yenge Kalonzo ni watula mbunge kwa kuvitukithia Muvango Utee na mwamulo wa koti wa kuungamia Muvango aiweta kana maitikila Kuthoosya kwa Ianda sya Kambuni aimienda koti kuungama kati.
Nothing. We have shown the proof that Parliament acted in bad faith, which is one reason why, because they went against the ruling of Justice Mugambi. My friend Muganda wanted to show one thing that goes to show this need to issue conservatory orders. Because if we don't, your lordships, we will come here and be engaged in some academic exercise when everything will have happened. We are all Kenyans. We love our country. And believe you me, we will prove, and I don't want to argue that point, because it is in our main petition, the undervaluation of the Safaricom shares. We will not allow this, your lordships, just to go unnoticed. Therefore, I strongly urge that when you retire, to consider your ruling.
Kalonzo ni atianite na Mutongoi wa Kyama cha DAP Eugene Wamalwa, wakili Ndegwa Njiru na ula ngavana wa kaunti ya Ilovi Mike Songo kati wa mawakili angi Vala Songo Aineenea wetakana nimekwendea kutetea mali ya mwenenthi na kuvinga Kuthoosya kwa Ianda sya Kambuni wa Safaricom.
How did Parliament breach a court order by approving this particular cell which is in question at the moment? What is the meaning of status quo? Status quo means things should remain as they are. Things should be unchanged. Yeah, that is, it was a sub judice matter. It was not supposed to be discussed in Parliament. So we shall participate fully and we shall represent the interests of the common mwananchi, the mamamboga, and the thousands of Safaricom vendors who are going to be affected in this cell.
Ngirivoti ya vilingwa Mutongoi TV, Uthoosya kibanzi.